Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add a new page to your Bigcommerce store. Creating pages like About Us, Contact, or FAQ helps provide important information to customers and makes your website more complete and professional. Now, let's get started. On the Bigcommerce dashboard, the first way to create a page is to go to the storefront and scroll down to Web Pages. Click on Web Pages. Here, you can see all your pages. If you want to add more pages, just click Create a Page. Let's name this page Sample Page. Once the name is entered, the link URL will appear, and you can add content here, including the subfolder if needed. When finished, configure the settings as needed. When everything is set up, just save and exit. Another option to add a page to your Bigcommerce store is to go to View Storefront and click it in the upper right corner of the page. Click this, and you will be redirected to the demo website. Since this is a demo, let's edit it. We can design the page using the page builder, and we will be redirected to the page builder. We just need to confirm the user and password. Once here, go to the upper left part of the page. Home page will be visible. Click the drop-down menu and then click Create Sample Page. Here, you can create Page 2. The URL will be generated automatically. If you want to set a parent page, you can do that as well. You can configure the settings or leave it as none. Once you create the page, as you can see, it is now created. We now have a sample page 2. It is easy and simple. Remember to link your new page to your navigation menu so visitors can easily find it.